We'll guide you through how to design shirts using Printify. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Printify website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the catalog tab located at the top of the page. Here, you can browse through a variety of shirt options, choose the type of shirt you want to design, like a classic t-shirt, a hoodie, or a long sleeve. After selecting your shirt, you'll see a product detail page. Click on the Start Designing button. This will take you to the design editor. Now you can upload your own design by clicking the Add Your Design button. Make sure your design file is high resolution for the best print quality. Once uploaded, you can adjust the size and position of your design on the shirt using the drag and drop feature. You can also add text by selecting the Add Text option. Choose your preferred font, size, and color and position it where you'd like on the shirt. Remember, you can preview your design at any time by clicking the Preview button to see how your shirt will look when printed. If everything looks good, click Save Product to keep your design. You can then add it to your store by selecting Add to Store, where you'll be prompted to set your price and finalize your listing details. And that's it. Your shirt design is ready to be sold in your online store. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.